What's up, y'all? Dano back again. I got a super special recipe for you. I'm gonna show you my take on the juiciest burger you ever had. I got 2 pounds of 80/20 meat, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do this using just 2 ingredients. I actually got this recipe from a little old lady when I used to work at the flea market, taking my Dano seasoning, putting it on chicken, putting it on a toothpick, and giving out samples. And this lady said, "Do you know the secret to making the best, juiciest burger you ever had?" And I said, "No, I don't. What is it?" And she said, "You need some sweetened condensed milk." So you get sweetened condensed milk. Usually comes in a can, but I found this in a little bottle. So you get sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna add a little bit of this. If it was usually, I think they come in like 8-ounce jars, you'd probably only use maybe 4 ounces. So it's not gonna be a whole lot that we're using, but it's enough just to give it that sweetness, and the milk in there, it just gives it this like juiciness. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be one of the juiciest burgers you ever seen. And all we're doing is some Dano's Original and some of this sweetened condensed milk. I got the soy sauce and everything laying here because I used that in my last recipe. But check this out. We're gonna go on and get it mixed up. Make sure you give me a like, give me a comment, and let me know what you think about this crazy recipe, because you've probably never seen this before. And make sure you hit that sub button. So let's get the mixing. Like I said, 2 pounds, 80/20. We're only going 2 ingredients. When I go with the Dano's, I go hard. I call this my trigger finger. I pop it just like that. And I go pop, 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 pop. The reason why I use so much Dano's because it is low sodium. It is all natural, so it's more quality ingredients. The salt level is way down here. It's only 50 milligrams per serving. We use real sea salt, so you still get the salt flavor that you need, but it's never gonna be too salty. That's the beautiful thing about Dano's. So we got the Dano's Original. Now I'm gonna take my sweetened condensed milk here. Like I said, you don't wanna overdo this. If you put too much, you're gonna ruin your burgers. But that'll be just enough right there. Maybe a little bit more. That'll be just enough to give us that sweetness and that flavor of the sweetened condensed milk that we need. And we got that Dano's, so we know it's gonna be dang good. And you know we're gonna put more Dano's on it after we patty them up, and we're going to put them on the grill. So this is just the preliminary mixing of the burger. We're getting that dang good flavor in there. We're gonna patty them up, and then we'll hit them one more time, top and bottom with Dano's, and we'll put them on our green egg, and we will grill them up. Figure out how big you want your burger patties. We got 2 pounds, and there is, how many of them? How many people are over here right now? Well, let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. I only got 2 pounds, but we did just make a bunch of bratwurst. So maybe I'll go without a burger. I'll try and make these, oh, what's the math on that? If I wanted to make 8 burgers, it'd be 8 1/4 pounds. So we're gonna go, 1/4 pound burgers just aren't that big though. We're gonna go with 6 3/4 pound burgers, and I think that'll be about right. So we're just gonna make 6 nice burger patties. How about that? Because I know not everybody's gonna eat them. So we're just gonna, you don't wanna make your burger patties too small. So we're just gonna patty them up like that. Make sure you get you a good rounded edge. I see a lot of people when I watch other videos, and they put their burgers on the grills and they're like these balls. I don't like my burger. I like to flatten mine out as much as possible and keep going around like so, and really make like a nice patty out of it without using a pattying machine, I guess. So just like that, patty it out a little bit, just like that. That's a perfect burger size. It's gonna shrink up a little bit, but it's not just gonna turn into a ball. So we'll get them all pattied out, and then we'll be rocking and rolling and grilling in no time. Like that. Pow! Look, you can even stick it to your hand, hold it upside down. Oh, pow! Get them extra little bits of flavor right there. That's got plenty of Dano's in it. So we got our burgers pattied up. Now, we're just gonna throw them on the grill, hit them with Dano's again, grill them up. We'll have some dang good burgers. Don't forget to season the other side. Hit that trigger finger again, pop, pop. It's never too much. Now we just let them cook, baby. Let them cook. Oh man, let's hop in here. Give them a little flippy flip. Before too long, we're gonna get us a tasty taste. Looking good, baby. Looking good. Hit it with a little Bud Light one time.
You can't see.
That's a dang good, juicy looking burger right there. Yum, yum, get you some, baby. So burgers are done, they've been flipped once. I'm gonna hit them with one more little coating of Danos because you can't never have enough, so I'm just gonna hit it one more time. Not too much, you know, it's already got so much flavor in there. And then we're just gonna pull them off. No cheese, because we don't have any cheese. Somebody forgot to get the cheese. So we're just gonna have some juicy, dang good burgers. Wait till you see how juicy these are. I'm telling you what, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Let's go. Let's go get a bite. All right, y'all, so let's build this juicy burger. I'm gonna get me some of this stone ground mustard. We'll get a little bit on the top and on the bottom. I'm always a mustard guy. I never use ketchup. I rarely use ketchup. Couldn't tell you the last time I used ketchup. Let me find one of these juicy burgers. Oh yeah, look at this. We're gonna throw that bad boy right on there like that. We're gonna go a little bit of onion. I like my onions thin sliced. A little thin sliced onion, thin sliced tomato. We're gonna get us one nice piece of lettuce. Break that bad boy in half. Double stack it, throw it on. Now, let's see how juicy this burger is. Come on in. That, my friends, that's a juicy burger. Look at that. That's that yum, yum, get you some. You know what I'm saying? Now let's get a bite, see what it tastes like. Mmm. Mmm. Like I said, leave a comment. I know you've never seen anybody use sweetened condensed milk in their burgers. I just showed you how juicy that was. Cooked to perfection. Everybody in the background right now is staring at this because they can't wait to get a burger. They're ready for this camera to get shut off so they can get a burger. But you guys, leave a comment. Give me that subscription. Tell me what you think. We'll see you again next time. You know I love you. Keep sprinkling. It's dang good. Yum, yum, get you some.